All right, we are back for Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 5, lesson 4. I am Mr. Short, and I ripped the paper today. So if it looks messed up, yeah, I was going too fast. I know, I should slow down, but I didn't. So anyhow, we got page 19 today, and there is no page 20. It is blank on the back. Well, let's look at this one. It says Kate has $14. She gets one $20 bill, four $10 bills, three $5 bills, and six $1 bills. She spends $44. How much money does Kate have left? All right, so Kate starts with $14. She gets one $20 bill. She gets four $10 bills. Now we can write 10 down 4 times if you want. So we'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you wanted to, you could also just wrote 40, right? Because 10 4 times, 10 times 4, or 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. Either way, she gets 3 $5 bills. So we're just going to write, we'll write 5, 5, 5, 5. And she gets 6 $1 bills. Well, we're just writing 6 because we ran out of room. So let's move this over here. 14, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, and 6. Why do we only write 6 for the 6 $1 bills? Well, that's because 6 $1 bills are worth $6, and we don't need to write 1 6 times. You can do that if you want. We don't need to. All right. It's a lot of numbers. It shouldn't be that hard for us to add. So let's pull some 10 buddies first. If I do this and this, that's a 10, right? If I do, oh look, this and this, that's a 10, right? So now I can rewrite this, make it a little easier. So now I have just this 10 left. I have that 20. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s now. So 6 10s is 60. Right? And I got rid of these two. I got rid of this one. So I just got this lonely 5 down here. So if we add this up, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. We have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. We have $95. And if we go over and add up the way we had it before, right, we have 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So 19, and then we have 6. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we would have a 5, even though it's not there, right there. A 2 up here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 95. Look at that. 95 over there. Same thing. That dollar sign out front. But Kate spends $44. That means she got rid of $44. So we're going to minus that out. So now we have 5 minus 4. That's right, 1. We have 9 minus 4. 5. Put our dollar sign if you want. Put that, do this. But Kate has $51 left. Hope that makes sense. Use those 10 buddies when you can. It makes it a little bit easier to add. If you want, you could 100% do a place value chart with this and put all the numbers in the place value chart. Excuse me. The numbers weren't very big, so I don't think we need to do that one. Even if you wanted to reduce stuff, you could have said we have the $14, we have the $20, we have 4 $10 bills, so that's 40. We have 3 $5 bills, so 5 times 3 or 5 3 times is 15, and then put the 6 there. You could have done it that way, right? A little shorter, a little quicker. But find which way on this works best for you. All right? That's the most important thing. Which way works best for you? Yes, teachers will ask for a certain way sometimes, but trust me, the biggest thing we want to see is that you got the right number. All right, guys, that's it. This was a quick one. So we are out of here for today. I hope you have a good